ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് എക്സാം ഡേയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും അറിയാം, ജൂനിയർ ക്ലർക്ക് എക്സാമിൻ്റെ ഡേറ്റ് Cseb പബ്ലിഷ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞു. അല്ല, February 6 എക്സാം. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്നൊരു കഷ്ടിച്ച് ഒരു 36 ഡേ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടുന്നുള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും നന്നായി പഠിക്കുക. ഇപ്പോൾ കഴിഞ്ഞത്ര മോഡൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാം കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് പേപ്പർ കട്ടിങ്സ് ആണ്. സോ നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസേഴ്സും മാത്രം മതിയല്ലോ. ഡെയിലി കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ചിലപ്പോൾ നമ്മളറിയാതെ നമുക്ക് ഓർമ്മയിൽ നിൽക്കും. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് തുടങ്ങാം. അപ്പോൾ എന്തായാലും നമ്മുടെ വീഡിയോസ് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ സജഷൻസ് കമൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ മറക്കരുത്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ, ദ ബേസിക് ഐഡിയ ബിഹൈൻഡ് കോപ്പറേഷൻ ഈസ്. ആൻസർ ഏതാ? ഈച്ച് ഫോർ ഓൾ ആൻഡ് ഓൾ ഫോർ ഈച്ച്. നെക്സ്റ്റ്, വൈദ്യനാഥൻ കമ്മിറ്റി വാസ് അപ്പോയിൻറ്റഡ് ബൈ. ആൻസർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി, ഗവൺമെൻറ് ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യ. Next, third question, the Kerala State Cooperative Bank became a scheduled bank in dash. Answer, in the year 1966. Fourth question, the scheduled caste societies come under. Answer, option B, agricultural non-credit society. Next, fifth one, dash is a member of KSCARDB, Kerala State Cooperative Agricultural and Rural Development Bank. Answer, option A, Kerala State Electricity Board. Next, sixth one, SPCS was registered under. Sixth one, answer option D, Travancore Cooperative Society Act of 1914. Next, seventh question, SHG was introduced in the year. Answer option C, 1992. Next, number of writers at the time of registration of SPCS was. SPCS full form എന്താ? സാഹിത്യ പ്രവർത്തക കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് സൊസൈറ്റി. മുമ്പ് നമ്മളൊരിക്കൽ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തായിരുന്നു അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ, SPS സാഹിത്യ പ്രവർത്തക കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് സൊസൈറ്റിയാണ്. ഓക്കെ, the number of writers at the time of registration of society. Answer D, 12. Just, the state form of USSR Russia was known as. Answer option C, Sarkozy. Answer Sarkozy. Next, 10th one, the land area which is kept for cultivating fruits and vegetables in Colcos is. Answer option C, homestead farming. Answer എന്താണ്? Homestead farming. Next, cooperation leads to social and economic. Answer option D, harmony. Next, 12th one, the chairman of Principals Commission was. Answer option D, DG Karve. Next, 13, NCCT was established in. Answer option B, 1976. Next, Madras government appointed 1000 committee in. Answer option D, 1927. Townsend Committee was appointed by Madras government in the year 1927. Next question. Central Society in Denmark, which was meant for effective sales. Answer DAAG. Next. The consumer stores in India are in dash tier system. Answer option C, 4-tier system. Next, in England, the dash was known as a period of hungry 40s. Answer option A, 1840. Next, one man, one vote is the principles of. Answer C, democracy. Next, Midtha Committee gave a new orientation to. Answer option A, Indian cooperation. Next, a cooperative society can give donations from the. Answer option D, common good fund. Next, the Soviet leaders adopted the system of collective farming known as. Answer option B, kolkhoz. Next, in a central society, government nominees are appointed by. Answer option B, registrar. Next, Banking Regulation Act 1949 is not applicable to. Answer option C, primary agricultural cooperative society. Next question, 24th. Unit Trust of India is a. Answer option C, saving company. Saving company. Next, the interest of a recurring deposit is calculated. Answer option D, quarterly. Next, HSBC Bank is a. Answer option B, foreign bank. Next, section 14 of Negotiable Instrument Act defines. NI ആണ് ട്ടോ. Section 14 of NI Act defines. Answer option B, negotiation. Next, 28th. Possession of security with the banker in the case of. Answer option A, pledge. Next, a money order is dash. Answer option C, non-negotiable. 29th answer option C, non-negotiable. Next, 30th question. A banker may secure his dash by means of lien, pledge or mortgage. Answer option B, advance. Answer option B, advance. Next, 31st question. The lending rate of RBI is. Answer option C, exchange rate. Next, 32 question. Expenses due but not paid are dash expense. Answer option C, outstanding expense. Next, 33. The document which can be used only for making local payment is. Answer option D, banker's check. Next, 34. NBFCs, non-banking financial companies. Non-banking financing companies are otherwise called. Answer option C, parabanks. Parabanks. 35. Special drawing right was introduced in the year. Answer option C, 1970. Next, 36th. Dash was the first to develop the bank rate as the weapon of credit control. The answer option B, the Bank of England. 36 answer option B, the Bank of England. Dash was the first to develop the bank rate as the weapon of credit control. Next, 37th question. A bank passbook is a copy of. The answer is option D, business firm's account in the books of bank. Business firm's account in the books of bank. Next, 38. The World Bank was set up on the recommendation of. Answer option C, Bretton Woods Conference. The World Bank was set up on the recommendations of Bretton Woods Conference. Next, 39th. The capacity of banks to create derivative deposit out of primary deposits is known as. Option D, credit creation. Option B, credit creation. Next question. Credit control means to control total volume of credit created by commercial banks. Answer option B, quantitative credit control. Next, 41 question. Section 49 of RBI Act deals with the option A, bank rate. Section 49 of RBI Act defines answer option A, bank rate. Next, 42. Dash is an amount of business is bound to pay. The answer option A, liability. Option A, liability. Next question. Interest on capital is calculated on dash capital. Answer total subscribed capital. Option C, total subscribed capital. Next, example of personal account is dash account. Answer option C, bank account. Next, when goods are returned to the supplier, it is called. Option C, purchase return. Option C, purchase return. Next question. Which item may be included in a balance sheet at more than historical cost? 46. Answer option D, land and building. Land and building. Next, 47th question. In straight line method of depreciation, dash is excluded. Answer option C, annual cost of repairs. Annual cost of repairs. Next, 48th. Prepaid expenses on the balance sheet date is known as. Answer option A, asset. Next, which of the following best describes the meaning of purchases? Answer option D. Goods bought for resale. Next, a project with longer gestation period should rely on. Answer option C. Equity capital. Next, a provision for doubtful debt is created. Option D. To provide for possible bad debt. Next, expenditure incurred on research is an example of. Answer option C. Deferred expenditure. Next question. Accounting equation satisfied which of the following accounting concept? Answer option A. Dual aspect concept. Next question. Del Creator commission is normally calculated on. Answer option C. Total sale. Next, credit note is associated with. Answer option D. Sales return. Next, partners' current accounts are maintained when the capitals are. Option B. Fixed. Partners' current accounts are maintained when the capitals are fixed. Next, which of the following is to be paid first in the case of dissolution of firm? Answer option D. Dissolution of expenses. Next, carriage inward should be debited to. Answer option B. Trading account. Next, the safety form of crossing a check is. Answer option B. Account payee crossing. Account payee crossing. Next, the term dash is used to write off intangible asset such as patent, copyright, etc. Answer option A. Amortization. Amortization. Next, the recipient payment account begins when dash balance begins. The recipient payment account begins with the dash balance. Answer option B. Debit balance. Next, MVP of a society is fixed according to. Option D. Bylaws. Next, the delegation of authority of registrar was mentioned in. Answer option B. 1912 Act. The delegation of authority of registrar was mentioned in 1912 Act. Next, for elections, nomination papers shall be submitted to dash by the candidate or his seconder or his proposer. The answer option C. Returning officer. Next question. The pension scheme for cooperative employees was started in. Option D. 1993. Next, Section 62 of Cases Act defines. Option C. Gratuity. Next, the object for which a cooperative society is registered is dealt in section option C 4. Next, 68th question. Which section deals with the voting right of a member under section? Answer option A 20. Next, as per which section the government gets direct partnership in the capital of a cooperative society? The answer is option C, section 42. Next, on receipt of reference of dispute, the cooperative arbitration court will pass. Answer option A, award. Next, the proceedings of creating Gehan is specified in option. Answer is option C, Rule 51A. Gehan rule. Proceedings of creating Gehan is specified in Rule 51A of KCS Act. Next, section 57B deals with answer option C, deposit guarantee scheme. Deposit guarantee scheme. Next, section dash is not applicable in case of withdrawal of shares due to the change of liability. Answer is option B, section 24. Next, an officer who executes the award is called. Answer is option C, sale officer. Next, cooperative ombudsman in Kerala is set by. Answer option B, Government of Kerala. Cooperative ombudsman in Kerala is set by Government of Kerala. Next, dash section deals first charge of societies. Answer is option B, 75. Section 35. Next, cancellation of registration of a society as per section. Answer is option B, section 74. Next, subject matter of bylaw is defined in. Answer is option B, Rule 5. Next, headquarters of Cooperative Tribunal is. Answer option D, Trivandrum. Option D, Trivandrum. Next, dash rules deals with expulsion of members from the society. The answer is option B, Rule 18. Next, section 2 clause E of the Kerala State Cooperative Society Act deals with. Answer option B, committee. Answer option B, committee. Next, Rule 19 of the Kerala State Cooperative Society Rules 1969 deals with. Answer is option A, voting. Rule 19 deals with the rule voting. Next, performance audit is also called. Answer is option C, efficiency. അപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്കറിയാം ഓഡിറ്റിങ്ങിൻ്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഇപ്പോൾ CSEB എക്സാമിൽ ഇപ്പോൾ റീസെൻ്റായിട്ട് നടന്ന എക്സാംസിൽ ഒരു റീസെൻ്റായി നടന്ന 2-3 എക്സാംസിൽ ഓഡിറ്റിങ് റിലേറ്റഡ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നില്ല. കാരണം സിലബസിന് ഒരു ചേഞ്ചസും ഇല്ല. അപ്പോൾ അവർ ഓഡിറ്റ് ഒഴിവാക്കിയിട്ടുണ്ട് എന്ന് പറയുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു, പക്ഷെ അതിൻ്റെ സിലബസിൽ നിന്ന് ഒഴിവാക്കിയിട്ടില്ല. സോ ആ ഒരു പോയിന്റ് ഓർമ്മ വേണം കേട്ടോ. നെക്സ്റ്റ്, സിലബസിനൊരു ചേഞ്ചും ഇല്ല. വേണമെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് CSEB സൈറ്റിൽ പോയിട്ട് സിലബസ് ഡൗൺലോഡ് ചെയ്ത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോക്കാം കേട്ടോ. നെക്സ്റ്റ്, one error counter balanced by another error is called answer option C, compensating error. Next, audit committee shall act in accordance with the terms of reference to be specified by answer is option C, board of directors. Next, test checking reduces answer is option C, work of an auditor. Next, end product of audit the answer is balance sheet, option C, balance sheet. Next, audit fee in a cooperative society is calculated on answer option C, sale proceeds. Next, dash are deemed to be the property of the auditor. The answer is option D, working notes. Next, detection and prevention of error is the answer option B, object of audit. Next, providing the truth about the correctness and authenticity of assets and liability states in the balance sheet. The answer option B, verification. Next, Controller and Auditor General of India conduct answer option A, government audit. Next, misstatement is prospectus by auditor. Answer option A, criminal liability of a auditor. Next, automatic review of operations. Answer option C, internal check. Next, the material lost in processing having no recovery value is known as answer is option D, wastage. Option D, wastage. Next, Table A of Companies Act 1956 gives answer option D, model of articles of association. Table A of Companies Act 1956 gives answer option D, model of articles of association. Next, 97th, IFCO is established in the year answer is option B, 1967. Next, cooperation is a crime when there is no mutual respect and confidence. Whose words are these? The answer is option B, Gandhiji. Next, which year was declared as the year of choir by choir board? Option is answer A, 2010. Next, cooperative movement in India book written by the answer is option B, E.M. Huff. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവർക്കും നമ്മുടെ വീഡിയോസ് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. നല്ല നല്ല ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആയിരുന്നു. അതിൽ കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് നമ്മൾ മുമ്പേ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണല്ലേ. സോ എല്ലാവരും ഡെയിലി റിവിഷൻ ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക് യു.